senshonga za PRU omurubunyoro asimire President Museveni hamwe na government ya NRM ahabwe ebyo ebikozero mu ihanga okuleta hentunguka. Ogu hayongere yagira ngo bunubwire obwa General Muhoozi kuba nwo yaba president w'ihanga akongera gukora hari ebyo government ya NRM ebireta kashyikirize.
That at the side of corruption, President Yoweri Museveni, in most of his speeches, he has been referring to such people who are corrupt as pigs, as weevils, as rumpens. He has always promised to crush them, and that has been endless in most of his speeches. We however say that as a very good dancer who has stayed on stage for all that long, maybe some time comes, and the type of dances that people have brought on are no longer in favor of what? In favor of him. And as PRU, that the person you once spoke about as a person who wants to tolerate corruption, and his names are General Muhoozi.
Stella Kobugabe omubaraiza wa PRU omurubunyoro city hamwe n'abandi bongire bashagika ibigambo bya Arnito Jovan bari kugira ngo General Muhoozi yaheza kuhumura Mahe akaba no yayibembera ihangeri nibija kumiyamba okoraga na government ya NRM no kureba ngo ebyo nibiyetaka kozire byabaho hamwe no kutandika university ombicweka bya bunyoro
emirimo abana bakuronde emirimo. So in that murieke korwa kwenda arekure Muhoozi akoreki arwanisa ibintu by'emirimo nawe arugeya ko mwana asomere.
Mobilizations, we have structures from village level to the district level. That's why we are asking the president of Uganda to give us General MK as the next president 2026.
Thank you very much.
The use of Bunyoro.
Kandwe Chakumi Ramadan hamwe n'abandi ba PRU omucekeki bashabire President Museveni okoreba ngo yakuma rigaseye obwo yahiza kwikiriza Muhoozi okwesimbaho omukarura ke-2026.
General Muhoozi Kainerugaba yayingira amageni 1999, which means emyaka 25 byamaze mu force. Ekyo kikulaga Brazil that experience asobola okufuga Uganda. Recently mwatulaba febe nyini ngaba yusi fa bavayo ne tukuza amazali wa gamuganda wafe General Muhoozi Kainerugaba
ende kugenzere ni kuhinduka na computers zino abakusinga tukazirora tukozereki kuzire kandi hati zikanyire esimu zino bali twakurire amure migwa Museveni ziba izere zitaroho zizire recently. So emirimo jya kusanga nekanya haroho omuntu akusobora kumanya embere zikozereki ziro
muringo ngogumwe Desire Nkuruziza wari mukuru w'entebe yo kubanza ahabwanye Irongo village kabo ya Sabo County omurukube district arigire yahamza abantu bona yagira ngo bino kwikiriza ku General Muhoozi yaheza kuba president w'ihangeri ebyona government rino korwa nibija kumwa
Muhoozi President Museveni teramani mkuwanise ngusikonkaje MK nabasa kukizaho abukuba ayine experience ya mani kana etegerize okurugira ebikorwa shobyo biranakora. Human rights abantu bugabe bwabo ni buke n'abanyamahurire mu bugabe buke ngenze ni birebye batera abanyamahurire ndi bakora bata kokati at least human rights egeshaha Muhoozi kuya ko bayizire nacyo nirango kimuhikeho kwera ngo edembe ry'obuntu debe encouraged ariteke mu amani.
General Muhoozi bwa hati nakora nko mudumuzi w'amahege ihanga kandi byo kwesimbaho ko bwa president bizuru mu matuga abantu homezaga amakuraga gashakwaga dasaba aba Sky TV ya Genshonga omurohoima.